Welcome back to the Financial Literacy Channel, where we empower you to make wise financial decisions and embark on the path to wealth. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the 15 sacrifices you need to make in order to attain financial abundance. Remember, achieving wealth requires discipline, determination, and a willingness to make certain sacrifices. Let's dive in. 1. Short-term gratification versus long-term goals. One of the key sacrifices you must make is prioritizing long-term goals over short-term gratification. This means resisting the urge to splurge on unnecessary purchases and instead, channeling your resources towards investments and savings. It may require delaying the purchase of that luxury item you've been eyeing in order to invest in assets that generate long-term wealth. 2. Time and effort. Building wealth often demands time and effort beyond the traditional 9-to-5 work schedule. Be prepared to sacrifice leisure time, social activities, and even sleep to focus on creating additional income streams or investing in your education. Consider spending your evenings and weekends on side hustles, entrepreneurship, or improving your financial knowledge through books, courses, or seminars. 3. Comfort zone. To achieve financial success, you must step outside your comfort zone. This may involve taking calculated risks, starting a new venture, or exploring unconventional paths that others might shy away from. Embrace the discomfort that comes with challenging yourself, as it is often the gateway to opportunities and financial growth. 4. Instant gratification. Sacrifice instant gratification by avoiding impulsive purchases and maintaining a frugal lifestyle. Delaying immediate desires allows you to accumulate funds for future investments, which can ultimately lead to greater wealth. Consider implementing strategies like the 24-hour rule, where you wait a day before making a significant purchase to ensure it aligns with your long-term financial goals. 5. Unproductive habits. Identify and eliminate unproductive habits that waste your time and drain your resources. This could include excessive television watching, mindlessly scrolling through social media, or indulging in activities that offer no real value or return on investment. Replace these habits with activities that foster personal and professional growth, such as reading books, learning new skills, or networking with like-minded individuals. 6. Consumer debt. To be financially successful, you must commit to minimizing or eliminating consumer debt. Sacrifice unnecessary expenses and prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, to free up funds for wealth-building activities. Create a realistic budget, track your spending, and redirect any extra funds towards debt repayment to accelerate your journey to financial freedom. 7. Excessive spending. Control your spending by distinguishing between wants and needs. Sacrifice extravagant purchases and opt for more affordable alternatives. Adopting a minimalist mindset allows you to redirect your financial resources towards wealth creation. Evaluate each purchase and ask yourself if it aligns with your long-term financial goals or if it is simply a fleeting desire. 8. Unhealthy lifestyle. Maintaining good health is essential for long-term financial prosperity. Sacrifice unhealthy habits, such as excessive junk food, smoking, or excessive alcohol consumption. By investing in your well-being, you can avoid costly medical expenses in the future. Focus on adopting a balanced diet, regular exercise routine, and stress management techniques that contribute to your overall physical and mental well-being. 9. Time with loved ones. Building wealth often requires significant time and effort, which may result in less time spent with loved ones. While this sacrifice can be challenging, it's important to communicate your goals and the reasons behind your dedication. Ultimately, your loved ones will understand and support your pursuit of financial stability. Find a balance between dedicating time to your financial endeavors and nurturing your relationships to maintain a healthy support system. 10. Instant rewards. Learn to delay gratification and sacrifice instant rewards. Instead of spending every dollar you earn, allocate a portion towards savings and investments. This will allow your money to grow over time and provide greater financial security. Automate your savings and investment contributions to make it easier to resist the temptation of spending everything you earn. 11. Fear of failure. Overcome your fear of failure and embrace it as a valuable learning opportunity. Sacrifice the comfort of staying within your limitations and take calculated risks that have the potential to propel you towards financial success. Understand that failure is an integral part of the journey, and each setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine your approach. 12. Mindless entertainment. Sacrifice mindless entertainment activities that add little value to your life. Instead, invest your time in reading books, attending seminars, or engaging in activities that nurture personal and professional growth. These activities can provide invaluable knowledge and insights that can be applied to your financial journey. Consider replacing excessive television or gaming time with activities that enhance your skills or broaden your perspective. 13. High-maintenance lifestyle. To accumulate wealth, it's important to avoid the temptation of keeping up with the Joneses. Sacrifice the desire for a high-maintenance lifestyle and focus on building assets that generate income rather than acquiring liabilities that drain your finances. Embrace a modest lifestyle and make conscious choices that align with your long-term financial goals. 14. Procrastination. Sacrifice the habit of procrastination, which can hinder progress on your financial goals. Develop discipline and consistency by setting deadlines and taking decisive actions towards your wealth-building endeavors. Break down your goals into manageable tasks, create a schedule, and hold yourself accountable to maintain momentum on your financial journey. 15. Negative influences. Surround yourself with positive and supportive individuals who share your financial aspirations. Sacrifice relationships with negative influences that discourage your progress or promote reckless financial behavior. Seek out mentors and join communities that foster a wealth-conscious mindset. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide valuable guidance, accountability, and inspiration on your path to financial prosperity. Becoming wealthy is a journey that requires dedication, discipline, and certain sacrifices. By prioritizing long-term goals, embracing discomfort, and making conscious choices, you can pave the way to financial prosperity. Remember, every sacrifice you make is an investment in your future. Stay focused, remain resilient, and you will achieve the financial success you desire. Continue to educate yourself, take action, and inspire others to embark on their own journeys towards financial freedom. And if you want to learn more about financial literacy and how to manage your money effectively, be sure to subscribe to the Financial Literacy YouTube channel.